Assalamu alaikum. This is Professor Zaida Rahman, Professor Head, Department of Pharmacology of Enam Medical College. Recently, I am going to upload my lecture classes on YouTube channel as my target population is undergraduate medical college students of Bangladesh. So most of the time আমি বাংলা এবং ইংলিশ মিলিয়েই তোমাদের লেকচার ক্লাসগুলো নিব। Now, aims of my new online lecture class. In general যদি বলতে চাই for better understanding of pharmacology and therapeutics. Specifically for passing undergraduate exam easily. It will also help for passing postgraduate exam. Now, some important issues regarding online lectures. Actually, offline classes সাথে সাথে online lecture class নেওয়ার ইচ্ছাটা কেন আসলো? As you know, according to new curriculum 2021, pharmacology has been introduced into second phase or third year along with forensic medicine. এটা তোমরা ইতিমধ্যে জানো। Along with pharmacology and forensic medicine, you have to study microbiology and pathology also. And also you have to give exam of these two subjects. Duration of second phase is 1 year, but due to vacation and other holidays, including exam, you are getting only 7 months for study. Course curriculum of pharmacology has also been changed a little. বেশি না, to little changed এসেছে। ACQ and SBA, short essay question and single best answer have been introduced in your written exam. There will be 7 marks short essay question in group B and group D, which may be problem based question or topic based question. Along with this, integrated session has also been introduced. This all make your course curriculum more clumsy. OSP and traditional also have been elaborated and changed. Due to short time duration, these online lectures along with your offline classes will help you for better understanding, providing more detailed information including OSP and traditional for passing your exam. You have to do offline classes for your attendance. You must have 75% attendance to be appear in prof exam. So online lectures cannot be an alternative of your offline lectures. Mind that. আর কোর্স কারিকুলাম যেহেতু চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেছে এই জন্য আমার নিউ লেকচারসগুলো আমি এখন থেকে আমার একটা ইউটিউব চ্যানেল খুলেছি, সেখানে আমি এখন থেকে রেগুলার আপলোড করব ইনশাআল্লাহ। Some of my previous lectures also available at Axis Medical School and Genesis online class, কিন্তু সেগুলো অনেক পুরনো, আজ থেকে 4 বছর আগে। এবং এখন যে লেকচার ক্লাসগুলো আমি আপলোড করতে যাচ্ছি সেগুলোতে অনেক বেশি ডিটেইলড ইনফরমেশন দেওয়া থাকবে এবং সেগুলোতে এসিকিউ, এমসিকিউ, এসবিএ সবকিছুতে আমি অনেক বেশি তোমাদেরকে ইনফরমেশন দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। সো প্লিজ I request you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.